Hello guys, welcome back with me, Chota25. Today we're going to learn how to edit a face, an image, or video with Face Editor using Face Fusion. How to install Face Fusion? Refer to the link on video description. Now open your Face Fusion. Set the Face Editor eyebrow direction. Positive value means move the eyebrow up. Negative values means move the eyebrow down. Face Editor eye gaze horizontal. Positive value means the eyeball will move to the right. Negative values means the eyeball move to left. Face Editor eye gaze vertical. Positive value means the eyeball will move into the upper part of the eyes. Negative values mean the eyeball move to lower part of the eyes. Face Editor eye open ratio. Positive value means the eyes is more wide open. Negative values means the eyes will be more closed. Face Editor lip open ratio. Positive value means the mouth is more wide open. Negative values means the mouth will be more closed. Face Editor mouth grim. Positive value means the mouth will show more teeth. Negative values means the mouth will show less teeth. Face Editor mouth pout. Positive value means the mouth will show more pouting. Negative values means the mouth will show less pouting. Face Editor mouth purse. Positive value means the mouth will be more tight. Negative values means the mouth will make more kiss. Face Editor mouth smile. Positive value will show more smile. Negative values will show less smile. Face Editor mouth position horizontal. Positive value will make the mouth swing more to the right. Negative values will make the mouth swing more to the left. Face Editor mouth position vertical. Positive value will move the mouth up. Negative values will move the mouth down. Face Editor head pitch. Positive value will make the head looking up. Negative values will make the head looking down. Face Editor head yaw. Positive value will make the head looking right. Negative values will make the head looking left. Face Editor head roll. Positive value will make the head bend to right. Negative values will make the head bend to left. We can also use this to female character. We can also use face swap with this. We can also use more than one character. With JobRunner, here an example. Information about batch a process. Refer to link on video description. Or you could simply save each iteration and process from there. Also, this thing will work for video. Here is an example. Anyway, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. See you again on the next episode. And have a nice day. Please subscribe.